Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drip tray in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drip tray. The dispenser drip tray covers the drip cavity, providing a flat surface for cups to stay on. The main reason to replace the dispenser drip tray is if it's broken or simply missing. To remove the old dispenser drip tray, we need to do one simple act. We need to push where it says push, and then we can remove it. This is the old dispenser drip tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new dispenser drip tray just drops in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.